All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to this wonderful class of mine. I've been looking for a day and an opportunity so that I can actually tell you what is going on. And the most important thing here is I'll be teaching you on so much, but today we'll be focusing on just one. And what we'll be focusing on, don't mind me, I'm sweating. Now the country where would they be that too? And today we'll be focusing on Remitano. If you look up my screen here, you will see this particular logo, the name of this app. This app is one of the best, but people don't know it. People don't know it. I tell you, I'm going to leave the link down under this video. If you want to register, just listen to what I'm about to tell you right now. All right, straight to the main thing now. Okay, Remitano is just like the normal apps you know, but Remitano is extraordinary because it does so much what you can imagine or even think of. An app you can actually deposit with your local currency, local bank. Like in Nigeria, you can deposit with OPay, PalmPay, Wema Bank, GT, UBA, Access Bank, name them. You can actually withdraw from that app to your local bank. If you like, put OPay, if you like, put PalmPay. Once you click on withdraw, in few minutes, you get your withdrawal. Why am I saying this? Because I have tested so many apps, right? I have tested so many. Just like, let me not mention names, but I will try and mention names, but so that you understand me better. On BitGet and on Bybit, and some other ones like that, MetaMask and many more, you cannot withdraw straight to your local bank account. You can only move your USDT to another app that has USDT. Then you can actually move it to, I think Bybit also allows you transfer to your main account directly. But this one will help you. You deposit with your local currency, with your local bank, and also you withdraw straight to your local bank. Isn't it amazing? So simple. Now, why I'm saying this is people don't know when it comes to trading. Trading is sense. All this app they're telling you about, some people call it, I've forgotten the name of this one. When I remember, I'll tell you. Stake. It's the same thing. You see it moving. If you don't click on withdraw, it's when it moves, it's gone. That's the same way. Some people will say, I don't know how to do it. I don't know. You know. It's just that you don't want to learn so that you know more. Every knowledge you are getting is not for you. Because the moment you get that knowledge, you put it to work. The next thing you're thinking about is to share it with someone else. And as you're sharing that with someone else, you are not sharing, you are teaching. Once that person learns and put it to work, he is not learning and he's not just sharing. When you share something, do you know most people are like that? When you share something to them, they have to call you and tell you, guy, I don't understand how to do it. You have to explain. You are teaching. So learn well so that you can teach well. That is it. So now, when you get to the platform, you will come across something. You will see BTC, Ethereum, USDT, Tron, so many of the cryptos. When you look carefully, if it is showing green, that is not the time to swap. Some people will say buy. If it is showing green, the market has gone high. You can swap. You are only waiting for it to come down. When it shows red, it is down. And when it is down, showing red, maybe 0.09 or 0.01 or 0.00, as long as it is showing red, That is how you predict the market. As long as it's showing red, you can swap your naira to USDT, or you can swap your naira to Ethereum on this platform called Remitano. When you swap it, you now you will put money for somewhere, you need to monitor the money. Now you are watching the app. 10 minutes later you check in, 20 minutes later you check in. Your mind is there because you want to see when it shows green. Because when it shows green, your money is skyrocketing. If you go check your money, it has gone up. If you want to swap it to USDT, you can swap it. If you still want to leave it to go up again, you can still leave it. But those that put huge amount of money, like maybe 50,000 naira, you swap it, maybe 100,000. It depends. So if it is 50,000 naira you're using to swap, you know how many USDT you get. USDT there is the cheapest, 1,559 naira for $1. But if you go to Grey app will be giving you $1 for 1,800 naira. So you understand what I'm talking about. So that is it. If it is red, you swap. If it is green, you reswap. You made maybe $2, maybe $3, depending how many dollars you have. That is the beautiful part of Remitano. Many don't know, and no one is talking about it because many of them don't know. They don't even know how to teach it. They don't even know how to tell it. Talk more of show it. So you see, that is it. That's why I bring you this information. It's so important for you. Go and grab this opportunity. Grab it wisely and make use of it. It will help you. In this page, I'll be telling you so much about Remitano, the best places to. Now, if you want to buy US dollar in that platform, it's 1,559 naira. 1,559. Can you imagine? Even though you don't want to even invest, you can buy there and transfer to another place. You don't understand. You see, I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about. You buy USDT, go to another platform and check how much is their USDT. This is a different class entirely now. You buy USDT 1,559 naira here in Remitano. You push it maybe to Bybit or to BitGet. You swap it to USDT and send it there. If their own is 1,800 naira, you swap to that one 1,008. Now 1,500. There is 1,800. Once it enters there, it increases. 1,800. The money don't plenty. Swap them. You catch out. Basics. No be every time we do tap, follow for follow. You put your ideas in some other things again, it works. Let me just leave the video here. I don't want it to be too long. But you just know that Remitano is the best app you should be thinking about right now. Bye for now.